Hello, hello. Hello, hello, hello. Oh, some moves in USD yen. Okay, audio is good. Let's wait for someone to join the stream. Also, should post the link to my other stream. Here. I am live. Oh, error. Okay, so some people are joining the stream. That's good. Hello, hello. Good to see you guys. Yesterday I did not stream because I was not really at home at the time. So today another live stream. Yesterday was actually quite a exciting day, which turned out in the end actually a little bit better than expected, because yesterday I had a big exposure in just like long positions in the indices, especially US Tech and D40, and there were a few things that were very lucky yesterday, I would say. First of all, in US Tech, who watched the stream yesterday probably realized that there were two open positions, which seemed to be quite risky, of course. But it's, because yesterday there was one go long position and then the turnaround Tuesday trade from the previous day. And both of these trades were down over 1.5% when it comes to the index performance. And then by the end of the day, luckily, the index recovered a lot, like about more than 1% of the losses that the index had during the day at the worst time, and recovered about 1% until the end of the day, which is really good, of course, because the turnaround Tuesday trade then only generated a loss of like a very small loss, actually just €100, and by the time when it was down here it was like €300 or €400, I don't know, something like that. And also in DE40 I had a turnaround Tuesday trade which generated a bigger loss, 350. But here also something like positive happened at the same time. Yesterday there was not only this turnaround Tuesday trade from Monday in DE40, but also it opened a sell position from the range breakout EA, which was good. So that was a little bit a hedge for the trade in the turnaround Tuesday strategy. So overall yesterday also in D40 the losses were not as bad as they could have been, so I'm very happy for that. And but besides that also there were a few losses in pretty much all of the other charts, like USDJPY, I think GPS dollar gold is like very bad in the last few days. Like there were a few losses where it hit the initial stop, like here for example on 22nd last month, then again here on 29th, then here on the 2nd of this month. So and then today probably another loss. So really just a lot of losses, and every loss is €500, which is quite a lot. So it's eating up a lot of the profits from the range breakout EA that were generated so far in the previous months. I think so far it's still in profit by a lot. So I mean, I cannot really complain about it. yeah, but it just shows how quickly the profits can be eaten if there are bad if there are a few very bad days. So that's the current state of the account. It's one of the bigger drawdowns, kinda. I mean, it's not really huge. It's like 6,000 euro, which is calculated on the initial balance. Is it 12%? Yeah, I think it's 12% drawdown at this point, which is a drawdown, but it's not, at this point, it's not like dramatic. So that's a little bit about the account, what was going on the last few days here. And yeah, if you have any questions about this, yeah, I just answered this one. How much percent is it in drawdown? It's 12% if I didn't calculate, if I didn't do a mistake calculating the drawdown, because the highest point in the equity was at 33,000, which is a drawdown of 6,000 at this point. And yeah, based on the 50,000 initial deposit, that's 12%. So 12% drawdown. Yeah, I mean, it's not a huge drawdown. And yes, I use a broker account. Like, my broker is IC Trading. You can also see it here on the left side. And the server is, yeah, the Capital Point trading server here, which is IC Trading. So that's it's a normal broker, so not a prop firm. And yeah, if you have any questions, also we can skip through the FTMO accounts. Also, they are performing very bad the last few days. Like, especially today, a lot of losses. Yeah, also I did one like trading mistake by closing a position I should not close. That was just stupid. That cost me like 200 or 300 euro in this account. So yeah, overall the last few days are not really good. First of all, the markets are not good. A lot of ranging markets, not really strong indices, which is not good for my strategies. And then also as I said, I messed up like one trade, or actually also a few gold trades in other accounts, but the one US tech trade in this account cost me like, I think 300 or 350 euro, which kind of made a difference. But yeah, I mean, overall, as I said, like, the drawdown is not too bad at this point. It's just a normal drawdown that's completely normal. And yeah. Can you show the turnaround Tuesday performance? Yeah, of course. I mean, I will also upload the performance review for last month, and I think I'll also quickly go through all of the strategies in the video. But I can also show the turnaround Tuesday. I mean, the problem is, yeah, maybe I should update my my trade buddy real quick. Whoa. So I would do it here quickly, so you can also see how it's done. So my automated trading journal, the trade buddy, can easily export all of the trades. So then you will have all of your trades in a text file. In this text file, I will then import into my trading journal, which saves me, yeah, the hassle of doing this manually. So that's why I think it's a great tool. So let me put it here quickly. So trade buddy. Yeah, so I just saved the text file on my computer. Now here's the trade buddy. I can import this file now, tradebuddy.txt. Okay, and now you will see, yeah, it updated all of the numbers, and all of the recent trades are now also added, which should be just like the trades from the last few days. So I now need to quickly update the strategies, and then we can do some analysis. So go long, magic number 1, 2, 3 for me. Range breakout, EAs 4, 5, 6. And then I have turnaround Tuesday 7, 8, 9. 8, 9. But yeah, you can see you can easily analyze your trades with a trading journal like this. And that's one too much. So yeah, all of the trades are now updated, so I can now do analysis here. So if I filter, for example, you requested for Turnaround Tuesday. So the Turnaround Tuesday strategy, including the trades from this week, which were, the 2 losing trades at the end here. The Turnaround Tuesday strategy is still 7,200 euro in profit, which is good. I mean, I cannot complain, of course. Like, this week was a shit show so far, but still, Turnaround Tuesday strategy is super profitable in this account. Over 90 trades. Of course, the last ones, like these 2 from this week, were negative with like 350 and 110. But overall, still, like, I mean, perfect performance so far. Really, really good. Also, the other strategies. I mean, Go Long, of course, also suffered a bit in the last few days. But hey, I mean, that's normal. It's not too bad. I think Range Breakout was the one that was performing worst in the last few days. But overall, in the total period, still, it's just a perfect performance so far. And drawdowns are normal. I cannot complain. I'm happy with everything. And I just hope that it's not... that the drawdown will not get bigger, but so far, I mean, all of this is not a problem at all. So let me check your comments, questions, and comments. Fuck schwor. I don't know how to pronounce it. With how much are you funded right now in FTMO? I lost count of how many accounts you have. Yeah, I can show you my FTMO. It's still the same. Like wait, let me. Hello, I want to log in. Client area. I still have 4 accounts. Maximum allocation 425,000 euro of like funded money, if you want to say so. So yeah, I have this like 100k account, 200k account, and 125k account. All of them are negative right now. Yeah, just the same as in my like live account. Just the strategies are not so good for the current market period. But yeah, also here, I mean, these are all minor drawdowns. Like, this is not even 1%. This is about, I mean, this is less than 2%. And this is also less than 1%. So nothing to worry about. But yeah, still have the same 4 FTMO prop firm accounts. Nothing changed here. So everything's good. Is it possible? It's possible to what the portfolio chart in TradeBuddy? I don't understand the question. You need to elaborate on this. Hallo René, ich nutze momentan Forex VPS. Ja, diese ganzen Forex VPS sind alle scheiße. Also die kann man alle wirklich vergessen. Das ist meistens komplette Geldabzocke. Hol dir einfach einen ganz normalen VPS. Also ich habe einen ganz normalen Windows VPS von Strato. Den kriegst du ab 10 Euro im Monat. Und da kannst du auch so viele Accounts laufen lassen, wie du willst. Da macht dir keiner Stress. Ja, diese ganzen Forex VPS meiner Meinung nach völlig overrated. Jabal 0420 is asking, what application is this to review your trades? It's my TradeBuddy. It's a tool that I coded. Check out my website. It's en.bmtrading.de. And on my website, you can go to Journal and you can download it for free. It's like really 100% free. You don't have to do anything. And yeah, it's a nice tool because you can automatically like export and import your trades from the MetaTrader, and then you can do all of the analysis you want. It's helpful for me. It's great to keep a good, have a nice overview of all of your trades. Is it possible to see the portfolio equity chart in TradeBuddy? No. I mean, it theoretically probably would be possible, but I did not code it in TradeBuddy. And it's actually not really. It would be, would need another like approach to show the equity in TradeBuddy. So no, it's just showing the closed trades, so the balance, all the EAs combined in the chart. Ashu is asking, have you make a code Gaussian channel indicator? I don't know. Maybe I made a tutorial for this already. You should check the videos on the channel, but I forgot if I covered this already. And Nashi, hey my man, setbacks are inevitable. Your PNL is beautiful. Yeah, I mean, I'm happy. It's really good so far. And drawdowns are never nice. And of course, like seeing stuff like this, where the market then goes finally into one direction and I'm not in the market, this sucks, of course. But Oh yeah, I mean drawdowns are normal, and if one cannot stand a drawdown, then of course you should not trade. So it's okay. It's not good, but it's of course normal and okay. L dot R dot. Hi Rene, thanks for reaching us. I'm following the trader who profiting over 70k plus a day for the past 8 months. He's charging 1k for the setup. Is it possible? He's using EA. I don't know. Usually it's a scam. It's very. I mean, it's, to be honest, it's not possible. You cannot make 70k every day. Yeah, it's a scam, most likely. Or he is super lucky, but it's not. Such an algorithm doesn't exist. Yeah, so feel free to post any questions you have. Also, I created a programming tutorial for a simple version of the range breakout EA, which I will upload, I think later today after the stream. So make sure to also check that out if you want to learn how to code a strategy like this. Here's the Japanese yen. Okay. Are you using any market regime filter? If yes, what type are easily codable in MT5? Is it like it's a market trend filter, or what is the question? I don't know what these like terms, and I don't know what HMM is. Maybe you can explain, but usually in MQL5 you can do anything you want. So it's not limited. Why didn't your sell trade close and open the buy? Did you change the strategy? Do you mean in US30? No, I didn't change anything. It's just two different strategies. Sell trade is coming from the range breakout EA, and the buy trade is just the usual go long trade. So that's completely normal. I didn't change anything. Check out ATP YouTube channel. It's a recently at 1 gold 5-minute strategy. It backtested 3 months. Yeah, let's check this out. It's ATP YouTube channel. Can't even find it. I don't know. Is it? I don't find the YouTube channel. There's no ATP trading YouTube channel that I can find. I don't know. Hi Rene, I just opened account with your referral. Thanks, man. Thanks for supporting me by using my link. You don't have to wait for the EAs. You can download them on this page here. I posted in the chat. How many years have you do I trade with MQL5? I trade automated programs for I think around 8 years now. Thought your strategy was the range, so I say but we don't spending on this. Do you use any kind of market regime filter, like checking if the market is trending or ranging? Okay, no, I don't do that. I just trade the same stuff in every market period, pretty much. Because I was never able to find a good like trend filter, for example, or like ranging markets, sideways markets filter. It's really hard to do that because, of course, most of them are lagging behind the actual market moves. So why not add Euro Japanese yen. Yeah, I mean, I should. I'm getting this question a lot. Maybe I should add it. I mean, I have it in this account here. So I'm using Euro Japanese yen with range breakout EA, just not in this account. And this is also a funded account with FTMO. Oh, a lot of buy positions here in the indices. So for this account would be really good if they go up today. Also loss in gold here. Yeah, it's not a good day for my strategies. How 2 EA can be traded in one chart? It's not possible. You cannot do this. You have to use different charts, but you can just open 2 charts of the same symbol. That's what I do here, for example. Also, now you can see, for example, here I have this chart here, D40, then I have this chart, D40, and I have one more chart with a D40. So yeah, you can just open multiple charts and then activate one expert advisor in every chart, but you cannot run multiple EAs in the same chart. It's just not possible in MT5, but it's also not necessary. So yeah, just open, you can just open multiple charts and then you're good. Rene, which of your EAs is best to trade in gold? I have no idea. Currently, I only use 2 EAs in gold, Ninja Scalper and Range Breakout EA, and Range Breakout EA is performing better. But how could I say what the best EA is? I'm not a magician. I cannot predict the future. No one can say this. For the past, it's the Range Breakout EA, but for the future, no one can tell. Hi, how's the FTMO accounts going? I mean, I showed them before, but I can also show them again. Like, the FTMO accounts are today not doing great, but overall it's still okay-ish. Like, yeah, I mean, still have all of the accounts. Like, all of them are in small drawdowns now, like 1 or 2%. Oh yeah, I mean, more like 0.5 and 2%. But it's fine, like, it's good. Just need a one strong day for the strategies, and then all of them could be in profit again. Let's check the news. I don't know, can we expect some news this week? Tomorrow, yeah, this might bring some moves. Tomorrow could be interesting, and Friday definitely also should give some volatility. Today there are no more news announced, so I think for today I would not expect too crazy things. Oh, also the gold trade was just stopped out here, which is a shame, of course, but yeah, I mean, that's another 500 euro loss. Gold, the last few days, yeah, I showed it before in the chart, just generated a lot of losses, not really performing well. Yeah, like today, 500 euro loss. I think yesterday, was it also a loss? Yeah, yesterday also 500 lost. So, just a bit unfortunate. Sorry. Jörg's asking, do you use set files for EA advantages, disadvantages, or score set files? What do you mean with set files? I mean, I use settings for my EAs, so I assume I am using set files. But I don't really understand what you mean with using set files. Which lot size manager do you use? I don't have a lot size manager. I just, like, the programs just calculate the lot size based on different logics. Like, usually I risk a specific amount per trade. For example, here I risk like 250 in this chart. With this strategy, I risk 500, as I said before. So yeah, just the EAs calculate the risk. So I lose a specific amount of euro when a trade hits the initial stop. I don't understand how gold has been your best performer. It's been below average these past months. Yeah, who cares about the last months? Like, what I care about is long-term profitability. And I can show you the long-term performance of gold. Like, for example, here, if you have a look at gold here, you can see it's still up 15,000 euro. I mean, yeah, of course, like the last months, it's, as you said, it's not good. And since June, like for 3 months now, it's not positive. It's just creating losses. But still, I mean, just look at this. It's like 15,000 euro of real live trading profit. So why should I be sad about this? Just because the last 3 months generated a few losses. It's not a problem. It's yeah, still a great performance. Okay, I will also upload the new coding tutorial for the range breakout EA. So I think I will publish today at maybe 6 p.m., maybe earlier. So make sure to check out the upload later today. Hope you liked the coding tutorial. Upload video. And there we go. Do you have a list of the performance per pair for the last month? I mean, I don't have a list, but the beginning of every month, I upload a video with a complete analysis of the monthly performance and also actually of the long-term performance. So yeah, you should make sure to watch these videos if you're interested to learn more about the performance of the different strategies. And yeah, just watch it if you're interested. Okay, I just uploaded the coding tutorial for the range breakout EA, and I will publish today. I don't know if I can publish at 5:30 maybe. And yeah, make sure to watch the coding tutorial if you're interested. And let me check the messages in the chat. Mr. Stop Loss. Hey René, I developed a very steady, profitable scalping EA. I want to show you one day following big trend is managing to make huge profits like in gold from the beginning of this year. Okay, it's not a question. No, I'm not really interested in this. Currently, I'm not developing new strategies. Colin, hi, good morning. Hello. Also, hi to everyone who just joined. I recreated your ear to give back to data, all the other vectors the same as yours. I am reading Project S's message. Germany 40 is weird, or GER. I recreated your EA to perfection, but my GR backtests are all bad with your settings. I don't know. I mean, my settings were also not like the very best in the tester, but still I think it was profitable. I don't know. Maybe you use a different spread, for example, than I used in my tests. I used a smaller spread, of course, because the Dukas copy data, I think they have a spread that is a lot higher for the German index. So make sure to just have a realistic testing environment. And then Yves Sava. Hi, how do you handle retries if you, for some reason, your trade has not been opened from the first attempt? I don't handle it. Like, my trading strategy is always executed perfectly because I use automated trading programs. So I don't need to handle retries or reentries or whatever. Colin's asking, good morning, what time do the EA create the range? It's different in every chart, but I made detailed videos about every symbol that I trade with range breakout EA on my channel. So you can check them out if you're interested. Yeah, I don't know why yours. Like, what strategy did you test for the German index? The range breakout EA or the go long or turn on Tuesday? course, go long and turn around Tuesday should for sure be profitable. For the range breakout EA, yeah, it's not the very best one. So also thinking, yeah, for a while now if I should remove it from this Portfolio. Wie viel genau Big Drawdown? Ja, so groß ist er nun auch wieder nicht. Ich habe ein bisschen übertrieben in dem Titel. Der Drawdown ist gerade 6.000 Euro, was ungefähr 12% sind auf die Basiskontosumme sozusagen. Your current range breakout. Yeah, okay, the range breakout EA in D40 is not like super good. It's not performing super good in my live account also, and I think the test was also not the very best. So yeah, maybe I should shut it down in D40. Nee, 12% Drawdown ist nicht viel. Also es kommt dann darauf an, wie viel Risiko du handelst, aber in meinem Account ist es nicht viel. Bei FTMO, klar, wäre es viel, da wärst du halt raus, aber das ist ja kein FTMO-Account, das ist ja ein normaler Account. Da sind 12% nicht viel. Also kommt auf deine Risikoneigung an, aber bei gehebelten Produkten ist 12% nicht viel. Ich hatte einen deutlich größeren Drawdown schon, ungefähr, also fast 50% in dem Account. Das war mehr. Ja, 12% ist no problemo. So in the charts, we do have the GPUS dollar trade, which is currently positive, which is good, and it will be closed in about 20 minutes, and the rest stays open for a little bit longer. Especially gold long trades will be closed shortly before midnight, as usual. Gold was stopped out, USD Japanese yen was stopped out. Like all of this is not good. Here also more losses in this account. And this is still the same as the last time I checked. Yeah. Minus 12% mit Hebel kann auch morgen wieder ganz schnell plus 12%. Ja, plus 12% an einem Tag ist auch relativ unwahrscheinlich. Hatte ich, glaube ich, jetzt bisher noch gar nicht oder einmal vielleicht in dem Account jetzt. Aber ja, klar. Also 12% ist nicht super viel. Das kann in ein paar Tagen schnell passieren. You could use high SMA period for confirmation entry. Yeah, that's true. What is your US30 range closing time? I can't find it. I don't know. Let me check. Currently it is 20:55 server time. You're trading stocks on an FTMO account. Why don't trade it in a real account? Different pricing structure. Like stock CFDs are more expensive with my real money, like my regular broker, so I don't trade it with this broker. Also, I don't want to have too much exposure in the like stock trading with range breakout EA, because also in the past it was not the most stable approach. Generated some profits first and then also generated some losses, so not super confident with that. What server do you use? Are you running backtests on the server? Yeah, right now I'm not really backtesting a lot, but it's a normal Windows VPS. I rented it from Strato, which is the German hosting provider. So cannot really recommend it if you do not speak the language. I've learned a lot from Colin. Okay, thanks. I learned a lot from your YouTube videos. Thanks, man. I appreciate the feedback. Hi, Rene. Where did you get the data for backtesting? I just got it from Dukascopy, like the free data source, and I downloaded it using the Quant Data Manager. You can find it in the description of the stream. I can't run tick data optimizations. Okay. Yeah, I don't know. I can. So I don't know what I can say. Should be possible. It's been using Quant Analyzer. I found out that September of each year has the biggest drawdown, so I turned it off in September. What do you think? I don't know. It doesn't sound logical to me. I mean, what's the logic behind it? To me, it doesn't sound like statistically, like it has statistical relevance or significance. But if you want to do it like this, it's fine. I mean, it's your money. You can trade whatever you want. I just don't really see the logic in that. No, I mean, I can buy, but it takes 40 hours. Oh yeah, I don't know. The CPU of my server. Oh, didn't want that. Here, these are the specs of my VPS. Yeah, just pause the stream if you want to see it. Then someone's asking how the FTMO accounts are going. So let me show them again. Like here you can see the overview. It's not going good today, but overall it's still not too bad. Still have all of my accounts. But yeah, all of them are like in a very small drawdown. Like basically like 2 are in a 0.5% drawdown and 1 is in a 1.5% drawdown, but it's not a problem. Yeah, statistic is the logic, but still, I mean, like, how many Septembers did you test? Like 10 maybe? I don't know if that is significant. But yeah, as I said, it's fine. You can, of course, do what you want. For me, I just decided to not filter out specific weekdays or months. Last time I watched, you almost passed it. It was like 300 away or something, floating. The FTMO. Oh, that's the FTMO account. Yeah, that was a verification account. I passed it like 2 weeks ago, but it's currently on hold. So it's in a waiting queue because I'm maximum allocated already with FTMO, so you cannot get more than 400 something. And I have 425,000 currently in funding, so I have to wait until I fail one account until I will get the FTMO account for the last verification that I passed. You're a great man. Take love. Thanks, man. I appreciate it. I'm glad that you like the content. Is the gold strategy you're using a Asia session breakout strategy or previous session breakout strategy? It's not really based on sessions, just on times. I don't know. I just ran the strategy test a lot and I found times that work quite good, so I just use these times. It's not really based on sessions. But if any, it would be a Asia session breakout, I think. But yeah, it's not really based on sessions. What do you think about ML trading? I assume ML is machine learning. I don't know. I don't have a lot of experience with that, so I cannot say a lot about it. How can a mass download Dukascopy data to test? You can use tools. There are different tools. For example, the Quant Data Manager. You can find it linked in the description of this stream. DR, thanks for the content, man. Yeah, thanks for the comment. I appreciate it. I'm glad that you like the content. For FTMO, do you use one strategy for each account or do you mix them? I mix them also. For example, here, as you can see, I run a bunch of different strategies. Some of them are performing good, some of them are not performing. Yeah, it's just I have different strategies in different accounts, I would say. Yeah, so I think I can upload the programming tutorial for the range breakout EA at 5, so in 10 minutes. So you can also watch that. And also, yeah, in 11 minutes, the GPS dollar trade will be closed. Jeff is saying you don't need data on MT5. Best to use every tick based on real tick. Yeah, the problem is some brokers or most brokers don't really provide long-term tick data. So you can usually only test for like a few months or years. So that's a bit limited. So if you want to do long-term backtest, yeah, it's not really enough, the broker data usually. Question from Sven, probably. I don't know. I know you are in Europe. Have you considered an options or futures broker? It's actually funny. I was thinking about it. Also, I applied for a broker, for an account with Interactive Brokers, but they declined my application. So I don't know. They don't want me as a customer, which is unfortunate. With my company, I do have a account with Interactive Brokers. So I was thinking about trading futures with the company. But yeah. I don't know. I'm not sure if I should switch to futures. Don't really know if there are a lot of benefits. Yeah, also, of course, most of my money that I generate is coming from Forex and CFD trading and also broker partnerships. So it would be a bit bad business decision probably. But yeah, maybe I will also talk about futures trading in the future. Scroll Forex. Lisa Forex made a video today about your breakout strategy. She tried to copy it in Quant Developer Tool. Okay, that's interesting. Did it work? Did you watch the video? Did it work or is it not working? Mr. Stop Loss problem is the side fluctuation in your trend EA. Because in trends you're doing great. Yeah, I mean, my strategies are breakout strategies, so of course they need trending markets, and in sideways periods they usually lose. How do you decide how much of your leverage effectively to use in order to prevent over leveraging your account? I don't really care about the leverage. I decided how much risk I want to take for every single trade. And I just did a bunch of backtests. So the backtests really helped to get a good feeling for the expected fluctuation in the equity. So that's what I would recommend. Just do like a lot of backtests and you will get a feeling. Sven, the optimizer is completely broken, by the way. Is it? I don't know. I use the optimizer a lot and for me it worked quite fine. If you're struggling, that's been different max. Okay. Scroll Forex, no, it didn't work. When the trade was executed, it removed the other order. Okay, yeah. I don't know. I'm not a big fan of EA builders anyway. So yeah, just make sure to watch the programming tutorial that I will upload in 5 minutes, or that I will publish in 5 minutes on this channel. And you can learn how to write a range breakout EA yourself. So yeah, make sure to watch that if you're interested. If not, you don't have to, of course. You will win sometimes. Have you made a video on using optimizer properly? I don't know if I have a video on the optimizer already. Probably. Just check out the videos on my channel. I'm not sure if I made a video about the optimizer. I made a video about the strategy tester for sure, but the optimizer I don't really recall right now. So yeah, 5 minutes left for GPS dollar, then the trade will be closed. Yeah, but anyways, another bad trading day today so far. Like just a bunch of losses already realized here in the account with USDJPY yen and gold, about 750 gone. And then, of course, there's a small profit in GU right now, but it's not really covering the losses, so not really good. How do you deal with margin requirements? I don't know. Usually I just trade with the leverage that is like huge, so I don't really have problems with margin. But yeah, also in some accounts I struggle with margin, but then usually I just don't over leverage or just don't trade with these brokers accounts or symbols that are problematic. Can you use MT5 backtesting to test several EAs trading different pairs at once? Not really. You would have to write one EA that covers all of the strategies, but there are tools for this. Like for example, the Quant Analyzer It helps you to include multiple backtests, and then you can have a like portfolio or correlation analysis. So that's what I would recommend. That's also what I use. Gunther's asking, could you please upload the code for your control panel again? The link you posted in the comments below the video is no longer active. I mean, the video should still be on the channel, so just look for the video, I guess. I don't really understand. Like whenever you are looking, you want to look for videos, just go to the videos on my channel, and you can just search for whatever video you want to watch. Like I don't know, like here for example, you can easily find the control panel, and boom, there you go. So just check the videos. That's exactly the same what I would have to do. Like I also need to check for my own videos if you ask me if I can post a link. So easy, guys, easy. Good rest of the day. Thanks, man. Appreciate it. I'm watching delayed, but CFDs is like futures pretty much. Yeah, I mean, there are some differences. Like, of course, futures are regulated products traded like over an exchange, and CFDs are unregulated. That's probably the biggest difference. But yeah. Do you like Forex Station? Actually, I don't know it, so I don't really have an opinion on this. And Strike, etc. I'm not really familiar with option trading. I never really traded options. Günther saying, no, I mean you uploaded the code to school and the link is no longer active. Ah, yeah, that's right. Because school community is closed. Actually, I don't know if I still have the code for this. Yeah, I think I will not upload it again. But you can watch the video if you're interested and learn how to code it, I think. So yeah, 2 minutes left for the GPS dollar trade. And then also I will stop or end the stream. So let me check out the link for the range breakout EA, so you can go and watch the video after the stream ends. And there are some more questions. When you start creating a new EA from template, is there code you always include? Sometimes, but not always. I have a bunch of like pre-coded functions, of course, that I use sometimes, but yeah. Sometimes I also write from scratch. That's all for me. Good luck. Yeah, thanks, man. I appreciate it. Have a nice evening. Yeah, you too. So guys, I think here you will find the coding tutorial for the range breakout EA in 1 minute. So make sure to watch that. And yeah, I guess that's it. I am out for today. And I will see you in one of the next days. Probably if I start another stream. Also, GPS dollar was just closed with a small profit of 166. And yeah, guys, see you around. Thanks for joining the stream today. And watch the programming tutorial for the range breakout EA. Bye bye. Bye bye, guys.